Oil stocks. So proceed with caution as the pandemic has caused oil and crude prices to plummet. So I'm going to give you 5 oil stocks with some bonus. So Mobil Corp, I think everyone knows Exxon in the whole wide world. We've all see the Exxon station, and it's one of my favorite oil companies. And I did sell my Exxon because it was going down, and it was really emotional for me to see it going down and down and down. And it was too much of a roller coaster right now for me. But ExxonMobil, it's a beautiful company when there's no pandemic. Traditionally, oils are more of a volatile or riskier stock, they say. But right now, the shares are down by 40%, and even though their dividends are around 8.4%, it's until the cars go back on the road and unless things start opening, like the airlines, the cruises, and cars and oils are just they're plummeting down. So that's, I say, proceed with caution. Some people are like, oh, it used to be around upwards of $70. I'll get in there. But I just say proceed with caution. Danger curves ahead. But some people are buying it while, this is when some people buy. They buy when the stock goes down because they know the stock's going to go back up. It should, once the economy opens up and you're allowed to go driving again and you're allowed to go fly planes again and the ships are importing and exporting and people are driving to Disney World and you can drive to parks and just driving, because we've been stuck at home for so long. I think people are going to want to just drive and fly and go on those Carnival cruises again. So Exxon, the ticker symbol is XOM, and everyone knows Exxon. And then there's Chevron. Some people saying Chevron is probably a little bit better buy right now, even though it is proceed with caution. It is oil stock, and crude oil prices, oil price of a barrel has gone down extremely low. So Chevron Corporation, that's another gas station that everyone knows and has seen it. It's like the blue and red checkers at the station, and has the little commercial. So the ticker symbol is C as in cat, V as in victory, and X as in X-ray. So, and it also has a nice dividend of a 6.1% dividend right now. And it is, I think, around $90. You just got to check it, because stocks go up and down, especially with the oil right now. They might be hovering if the oil barrel price stabilizes around $40, and it might go back up or back down. So it's very volatile right now. And like I said, it's something that you really got to study and research. And this is probably like more at Disney World. I would say it's equivalent of going on the Mad Hatter tea ride, where you just get in there and it starts spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning around, and then you get off going, oh, now I was dizzy, because I got dizzy seeing my stock going up and down, up and down. It was just, I mean, you got to have like strong emotions for oil stock right now. I don't know if you know about this one, but Apache Corp, APA is the ticker symbol, and it does exploration and production, and it's around about $22, and it does have debt. I just want to caution you on that. It has like approximately over $8.5 billion in long-term debt, which normally, look at that stuff as red flags and caution. But if that's something you want to look at, that's an oil company. Then there's Noble Energy. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Noble Energy, because I gave you the top 2 that everyone's pretty much familiar with. That's N is in Nancy, B's and Bill, and L's and Larry. And it is, they might have a dividend cut, so, but that is probably around, people are looking to buy it while it's low right now. So it's just up to you. It's just up to you. Just really read the company and just really know what you're getting to if you're going to do oil stocks. So Devon Energy Corp. D as in dog, V as in victory, N as in nice. Devon, I'm not sure if you heard about that. It's exploration and production. And, while the oil prices are slumping, some people might want to get in some oil. And it just depends if you want to get in or out. But oil is definitely very risky. Then there's Marathon Petroleum Corp. That is M as in Mighty, P as in Paul, and C as in Cat. So that's another oil company you might want to take a look at and make sure you read the debt and profits and just really know how to read the stock with the volume and prices and debt and earnings. And then Phillips 66 will be the last one that I go over because these are just crude oil. These are just crude oils. Phillips 66, you're probably familiar with that and seen that gas station. And that's P as in Paul, S as in Sam, and X as in X-ray. So I want you to take a look at the balance sheet and see what this crude oil does. It also does midstream and marketing segments. So usually midstream is insulated from the commodity of the oil prices. So that could be interesting, and see how much cash flow that they do have. And I think the last time I checked, it was over 2.8 billion cash flow. And so you might want to take a look at that, and it does have approximately 6% dividend yield. And so that's why I think people like oil stocks, because the dividend yield is pretty high, but also, it could be very risky. And so those are the oil stocks, crude oil prices. But like I said, proceed with caution, curves ahead, could even be danger, slip and slide. But once the oil stabilizes and everything opens back up steadily, but we don't know if it'll be the end of 2020 or 2021. So there might be other investments that you might want to take a look at before you do an oil stock. And there might be some energy stocks that you want to look at, or electricity stocks or utility stocks, or midstream stocks that do the pipes and the holding of gas and the storage. So there's just a couple of opportunities there if you're aggressive, if you're aggressive and you're looking to buy low and get in there. Once these companies are up and running, they are pretty good stocks to have. In my opinion, once again, this is a disclaimer. This is for entertainment and educational purpose. I want to just encourage those of us that have never been taught about stocks, investing, growing your money, compound interest, finding a place to put your money that can grow and make your money work for you. And always study, educate yourself, and learn, and always speak to a licensed financial broker before you make your stock investments. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and you can support me by just simply liking a YouTube channel of mine that doesn't cost any money, or give it a thumbs up, give it a nice 5-star review. And if you'd like a free stock, you can use my links to Robinhood and Webull, which gives you a free stock for simply just signing up. It's their promotion, just like a bank does. But most of the other stock companies, you have to have like $25,000 before they'll give you $500. So I know we're beginner investors, so it's just those two are the most ideal for beginner investors to explore and get your free stock just for signing up and going on the platform and checking it out. So thanks a lot. Have a great day, and I look forward to giving you more podcasts And I thank you for your feedback. And if you are a Patreon donor of mine, I really, really appreciate it for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. And thank you, everybody.